Just come back, homie. Just come back, homie. God.
We're just holding you here so you don't do anything stupid.
Watch like these hoes do on the cup. Blast it up. Have a what? Relax, man. You relax, nigga. Fuck you, nigga. I don't know the bitch ass, nigga. So what am I going to jail for? What law did I break? You tell me what law, bro. You tell me what the fuck law, bro. You tell me what law, bro. Call Cassidy or call C-Bet. Can you call them? I got their personal numbers. Call them, nigga. Call them, nigga. Lying ass nigga.
Do me a favor and stop recording.
Why is that?
That's my boy.
Okay, don't tell me what to do. Is that cool?
Shit, I'm just telling you.
Can we respect each other and you not tell me what to do?
With all due respect.
With all due respect?
Yeah.
You respecting me?
What you doing?
How
bro?
you respecting me? You're trying to intimidate me to turn off the camera.
Hey, boss man. He can record. Hey, keep recording.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keep recording.
Yeah, your boy was telling me not to. Thank you.
Because I already got what I had for this.
Yeah, but you don't tell me what to do. That's not respectful.
I asked you.
Okay,
in a
but
respectful
okay.
manner.
But I'm going to say no in a respectful manner. There's no reason for me to turn the camera off.
So, nah, he thought I stole somebody's fucking phone.
Because I want to. Is that a problem with you? Okay, I'm glad it's not a problem with you because I wasn't going to change it. I suggest y'all just leave me alone.
Hey, y'all leave him alone, cuz.
Thanks, bro. That's nice.
Hey, didn't that nigga threaten my life?
Yes, he did. This is how it happened.
Didn't that nigga threaten my life?
Listen,
Bro, fuck that. Don't even talk to him.
Cut it out.
Don't talk to him.
no, I don't.
See how he's acting?
Shut the fuck up. Don't talk to him. Talk to my lawyer. Do not talk to them. Shorty, shut the fuck up. Don't talk to them, cuz. Don't talk to
Tell
them.
him what happened, bro.
Shut the fuck up. Can you listen to me? So you gonna listen to him? You gonna respect him?
I'm just trying to tell
Okay,
you what
listen.
happened on your
Okay,
behalf,
shut the
bro.
fuck up. I don't need you to. Wait till my lawyer talk to you. Tell my lawyer what happened.
This is a simple miscommunication.
Oh, my mom is
Always was. And you know me, keep talking. Stop talking.
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
No, you. Stop talking. I'm a black man. Stop talking. Alright, but who's gonna get locked up tonight? Play yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're gonna respect. I get it. Yeah, so I see what you mean. Because he can just stop talking. He's not gonna do that. He's not gonna do that. No. I appreciate y'all doing what you're doing. It's like that. Every day, it's not gonna fix it. He knows my name. You know what I mean? We're gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go see supervisor on the house tonight. I told supervisor my first little lady. I said we're gonna go out tonight. I told supervisor my first little lady. I told supervisor my later. I told supervisor my first session. That's all we do. I just got out of jail. That's ludicrous. But you're talking straight. I'm not a threat to nobody. Please,
say I'm aggressive. This is how I talk. Anybody? Man, go talk to Collins. Go talk to C-Beck. Talk to Castle. This is me, nigga. You cap, nigga. So, why are you holding me like that? Why are you aggressive to me? Why, I'm not a threat to nobody. I'm not running nowhere. I'm going to stand right here. Why are you aggressive to me? I'm glad you're still recording. You cap, you're lying. I ain't trying to walk up. You're lying. You didn't hear what they were saying to me? You didn't hear what they were saying to me? They were threatening me. You didn't hear them threatening me? You didn't hear them threatening me? That wasn't him. Fuck that. No, I'm great. No, I'm great. I'm good. I ain't been assaulted. I'm great. I'm good. For what? I ain't pressing charges on that dude.
Yeah, why? Slow down.
Oh my God, why are you so aggressive? Ask him why he's aggressive. Why are you aggressive, sir? You're a supervisor. Why are you aggressive, sir? What's up? I'm the right hand assistant.